Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Which state recently launched the Yuva Tourism Club? A. Assam, B. Gujarat, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. West Bengal. ఆన్సర్ తెలిసినట్లయితే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. Which state launched the SC/ST Prevention of Transfer of Certain Lands Amendment Bill? మధ్యప్రదేశ్, కర్ణాటక, అస్సాం, ఒడిస్సా. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ కర్ణాటక. Which is the first state to pass platform-based GIG workers registration and welfare bill? Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Kerala. Which state sanctioned 5,700 crore for interest subsidy subvention scheme to provide interest-free crop loan up to 1 lakh to farmers? A. Punjab, Odisha, Karnataka, Telangana. Which state launched the Gruha Jyoti scheme? Kerala, Karnataka, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh. Which state has sanctioned a scheme for improving banking penetration in over the 6,000 panchayats? West Bengal, Odisha, Kerala, Karnataka. Which union ministry extended the deadline for enabling the Aadhaar-based payment for MGNREGA workers? Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of MSME, Ministry of Electronics and IT. ఆన్సర్ తెలిసినట్లయితే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ షేర్.